season 99. He's now in the pros, of course. Siyempre, hirap hindi makita si Hopia. 6'9" yan eh.
Oo, correct. I like the intensity, physicality ngayon ng game. Ha? Grabe. Solid. Parehong teams. Para makikita mo talaga yung physicality nila.
Yeah. We begin the second quarter at square one. 13 all. Yukien could not break the tie. And Santana starting off with the possession here. Kalima, who ended the first frame with a personal 4-0 run, could not make the layup. Manuel surveys. Balik sa gilid kay Axel Manuel. Inigo Montemayor now in the ball game for Coach O. Goho Cruz sends it out. Genzano, Manuel Montemayor punches that one in.
Ganda ng pasensya, yung ikot ng bola. Talagang ang ganda ng recognition ng mga players para sa bagong pasok na si Montemayor.
Finding the best shot available for the Altas in that sequence. Kalimag. Kick out. Yosing will pull the trigger. Not that time. Manuel. Montemayor from the same spot earlier. And throw it out to Goho Cruz. Isabel. Montemayor choosing to drive. That one was deflected by Royo. Let's check this one out. Patient offense for the Perpetual Altas, leading to a wide open look for Montemayor.
Yes, napapagod din eh. That's the way to parang tire them out eh. Itong San Beda eh. Paikutin mo ng paikutin yung bola hanggang sa dulo.
Jumel Puno is back in the game. Nunez surveys. Nunez missed out on an open Montemayor, so that's gonna be a shot clock violation. Good stand for San Beda at that time. Tinuturo na ni Borale. Nasa kanto si Montemayor. May tira ulit.
Pero ngayon medyo bumaba na intensity. Wala na nag-zone press, wala na nag-full court press. And it's a battle of execution na ngayon. Tamang screens, yung mga close-outs, defensive rotation, mga weak side help. Diyan na natin makikita lahat.
New face on the court for San Beda. This is Bonzalida, hustle player ni Coach Yuri. Ginamit na dito. Kalimag getting tangled up with Montemayor. Oh, that's a foul on Inigo. They don't like it. They feel like he was grabbing all ball.
It's a close call. No?
Yeah. Let's check this one out. Ito, Puno, binigay kay Kalimag. Ito yung sasalubong. Looked like they had the case. Pero hindi yun yung tinawag. Royo. Kalimag. AJ catch and shoot. Royo knocks it down. He's a very gritty point guard. Not the tallest, pero very gritty. At may shooting din sa labas. Itong si AJ Royo. Abis, dire-diretso. John Abis will be fouled. And he'll take two in a bit. Puntahan ulit natin ngayon for her second report. Here is Micaela Mindanao.
As they look to reclaim their momentum today against the San Beda Red Lions, team captain Christian Pagaran plans to limit the main guys of Coach Yuri Escueta and start off with a strong defense. Sabi niya nga na with the help of Gojo Cruz, sabi niya na malaking hinayang yung mga pass games nila kasi they were able to start strong but not be consistent. Ika pa nga niya na in this game, they would have to play 40 minutes kasi baliwala lahat kung sa dulo hindi sila makakastop and execute. Panoorin natin if the Perpetual Altas can lock down the Red Lions and set the tone for a winning performance today. Back to you, Martin and Coach Jerry.
Thank you so much, Mikay. That's words from their captain, Chris Pagaran, recognizing that the end game has been a problem for them ever since that game against Letran, where they lost in triple OT, losing against LPU via a meltdown in the fourth. Royo could not make it back-to-back. So yun yung kailangan nilang ayusin at kailangan nilang i-organize. dito against San Beda. But the end game is a long way ahead, Coach Jerry.
Yes, ang tibay ng depensa ng Perpetual Altas dito. Nakita mo, they're starting on a zone. Tapos nagsiswitch sila. Sometimes nagpa-match up sila pagdating sa dulo.
Pero dito, they're doing a great job. Bismarck Lina is back on the floor. Papalitan si Bonzalida. So, big front line again for Coach Yuri. Lina, Andrada, Puno, alongside Tagle and Kalimag.
Apat ito na malalaki.
Yeah. Eman Tagle. Yuken. Lina has been looking for the ball. Di maibigay sa kanya. Napoposisyonan ni Avis. Here's Tagle. Missing the three-pointer. Puno comes away with it. And a foul against Perpetual. This is their second team foul. Second foul as well on Inigo Montemayor, Coach.
Ang bilis sa rebound ni Bono. Grabe. Nakita mo, kala ko makukuha na ng Perpetual. Pero with this size, agility nga na.
Yun yung talagang advantage nito ni Jamel Puno. Is 6'5", but is very fast and very agile for his frame. Lina, speaking of, here's Jomel Puno. Puno, Kalimag for three. Kalimag buries it. And that's the name of his game. He is a designated shooter. Aw, naiwanan sa ilalim si Avis.
Sila doon. Hindi nila nakita yun.
Quick retaliation for Perpetual will put them back in front. 6:22 remaining here in the first half.
Almost a steal. Actually, he completes the steal. Paeng Are. Bumitin sa ere. Paeng Are. Wow!
And one.
May deflection dito mula kay Are. Kondisyon na habol. Buhat bantay.
Hang time, ang tagal sa ere. Hintay mo nang bumaba. And may...
Off the bench, this guy has produced for San Beda, RC Kalimag with 7 points in the first half. And he is starting to flex his shooting touch. Pero dito, Coach, nakalimutan nila si John Avis.
Oo, medyo ano yun, nasa, I think it's, siguro si Andrada mas nakakakita no. He's the last guy on defense. Eh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nakanakaw doon ang Perpetual. Heads up play for the Altas in that sequence. Kalimag getting instructions from Coach Yuri. Again, only limited playing time for Brian Sahonia. Dahil maganda pinapakita ni Kalimag dito. Sahonia only played 4 minutes when he checked in earlier. And Sahonia, by the way, was the one who nailed the go-ahead three-pointer to put them ahead by 2 against Letran in the last minute.
Oo, si
Oh, kanta ng galaw. Scoop in the hoop
veteran
for
move.
Yukian.
Veteran move.
Teka lang, may banggaan tayo dito. Tagle and Orgo. Ibang klaseng dukot shot mula kay Yukian. Alex Nunez here. Went to work. Up, under, kiligili shot. Ala Yutien. Andrada.
Ano na yan, he started to work on his post. Dahil mga ilang games, meron na siya mga face basket. Pinupuntahan na rin siya.
Pagaran, pull up Jay. Puno pulls it down. Here's Jomel. Uy, lost it. Coral. Orgo gets it. 2-on-2. White shirts don't have the numbers. JP downhill. Oh, clashing with Bismarck Lina. And JP Boral will step into the free throw line for a couple of shots. Boral, this is his first trip to the line. Look at the challenge of Boral.
Good move. Diniretso niya na. Hindi niya na inilag. Smart move para kay Boral. makita mo magandang dumiskarte ito si Boral.
Ito na si Brian Zahonia. Kalimag will take a breather. Productive 5 minutes on the court para dito kay RC Kalimag, scoring 7 points.
7 points, oo.
Brian Zahonia, balik na sa ating laban. Boral knocks down the first. Been a seesaw battle in this stretch between these two teams. 4-2-1 so far for JP. And he doesn't get the friendly roll. Nunez will get the offensive board. Another crack at the basket para sa Perpetual.
Mga maliliit na bagay. Kaya kung ipunin mo yan sa bandang dulo, malaking tulong yan eh.
Oh! And that's gonna be a shot clock violation. Ipinilit si John Abe sa ilalim. Walang napuntahan doon ng Altas offense. Rebounding is going to be key here for both teams because these are two of the best rebounding teams in the league. And you saw there, an offensive rebound by the Altas. Ooh, Ayosing lost the basketball.
Grabe, nilalagay ni Coach Olsen si Boral sa defense, sa top, sa tip.
Goho Cruz counted and the foul. A potential 4-point play for the super rookie, Goho Cruz. How about this? MGC repositioned, squared up for the 3, and got fouled in the process.
Jump shooter eh. Ang hirap talaga. Ang hirap. Hindi mo alam kung paano mo check-in eh. Kasi kailangan i-batter mo talaga yung tira niya eh. Kung hindi, pasok eh.
Yun yung versatility nito ni Goho Cruz. Kasi kaya niya mag-create para sa sarili niya,
Yes.
coach. But he can also play off the ball, get to his spots, play as a catch and shoot player.
Tsaka yung he works within the system.
Yun, oo.
Hindi pwersado na hingi bola, command game, pick and roll, atake niya, o ISO, walang ganun eh. Bibira.
Ito, tignan natin. Oh yeah. Was it on the landing spot?
Yes. Landing spot.
Si Jomel Puno yung sumabay doon kay Goho Cruz. It's either that o talagang, syempre mahaba si Puno. He'll cover so much real estate. Di ba?
Oh, haba rin ang
Aabutan
bata.
niya eh. Ito yung magiging tawag natin. Our officials have the better judgment. Referees natin, this is referee Dennis Tolik.
14 foul for the Red Lions. Substitution.
So they reviewed it, coach, and no upgrade. So just a regular foul on Jomel Puno.
Nigel Gonzalez in for James Boyelsey. At the line, shooting bonus free throw.
Goho Cruz to the free throw line.
Medyo nagtatlong bumalik si Coach Yuri na sa tatlong gwardya.
Oo.
Na 3-guard attack ulit. Baka pwede nilang mapadikit yung score.
Yeah. So this is Gonzalez, Tagle, and Sahonia.
Yes. Sometimes efficiency ang hinahanap ng coaches eh.
Yeah.
Sa ni Coach Yuri, minsan kang malaki pero medyo magulo atake. Naglalagay ng mga guards para medyo pulido yung sistema.
Pero coach, big guards to Gonzalez, tsaka Sahonia, no?
Oo.
Si Tagle yung medyo talagang conventional
Oo.
combo. Oh, Harold Arboleda. O, diba? Former Perpetual Altas player. Ngayon, nasa pros na yan. Got to cover this guy. Do-it-all player as well. Gonzalez misfires.
Ang tibay ng zona ni Coach Olsen, yung 1-3-1, 1-2-2, talagang hirap na hirap.
Sean Orgo thinking about his decision. Goho Cruz now. Goho Cruz sends it out. Boral. Oh. Elsano, short stop.
Jackpot yun. Mayroon, naka-standby na rin si Elsano ron. Nakakuha pa siya ng pasa.
26-21.
Ang laki ni Boral sa ibabaw eh.
Coach, pinakamalaking abante ng Perpetual. Puno for 3. Puno knocks it down. Much needed fire extinguisher for the Red Lions. Orgo will attack. And he gets the whistle. Nag-improve na rin yung decision making nito ni Sean Orgo, coach, as we take a look at some of the plays that happened earlier. Hexano showing us the touch from mid-range and then the counter of the kick out by Gonzalez. Puno nailing his second triple of the game. Ito si Sean Orgo, that's the leap he took nung siya na yung inassign na starting point guard ni Coach O. He knows when to pull back, he knows when to attack the basket and to
Oh.
speed up the pace.
Parang style din ni Jello Rason eh. Di ba? In, out, probe ng konti. Wide open, mainit, tira.
Na masterclass pala to ni Jello Razon.
Oo. Pero siyempre, with the guidance of Coach Olsen, medyo para-para ka na. Hindi pa pwede ka Coach Olsen yun. Kailangan plays pa rin ang manaig eh.
Yeah. Joe Celso is back in the game.
Lumaki bigla yung 1-3-1 ni Coach Olsen. Pinipick up na agad sa ibabaw ni Coral, no?
Yeah, no, just to delay the offense here. And Jomel, balik kay Gonzalez. Gonzalez. Sahonia is doubled. Look at the defense of Perpetual. Nabitawan ni Nigel.
Masikip na zone. Masikip para sa San Beda.
Goho Cruz will back up. Sends this one to Orgo. Orgo looking for Nunez.
Hindi makita yung mismatch down low kay Nunez, kay Orgo.
Difficult take. That was bothered. That was a contested shot for Goho Cruz and a foul on the rebound against Perpetual. Nunez will be called for this one. Nahanap na si Nunez eh. No? Hindi na talaga makakuha ng clear position.
You have to slow down. Siyempre si Orgo nakita niya ang advantage doon. Hindi nakita.
That's right, Coach. Ugiran enters the game for the first time para sa Perpetual Alcas. That's Ralph Kaugiran. Jomel puts it on the deck. Sahonia from the corner. Sahonia knocks it down. First basket for Brian Sahonia. And he cuts the lead down to 1, 28-27. Nagbabalik po kami.
Kung sa Season 99 ay may new heroes of the game, nitong unang siglo ay meron ding OG heroes ang NCAA. Hindi lang kasi mga sports legends at mga sikat na celebrities ang naging bunga ng NCAA schools, kundi pati na rin ang mga pambansang bayani ng Pilipinas at dating presidente. Produkto ng Kolehiyo de San Juan de Letran ang mga revolusyonaryong sina Apolinario Mabini at Emilio Jacinto.
Back to the coverage. At nandito nanonood, di ba? From the San Beda Lady Red Spikers. Nandito si Byong Umali, Kadalawan at Banyas. Isa to sa mga abangan natin in the upcoming women's volleyball season. Showing some improvements, major improvements from last year under the leadership of Coach Edgar Baroga. Kita natin, San Beda faithful and Perpetual fans are also in attendance. Kaya na Harold Alboleda, nakita natin, Coach. O, diba?
Oo, another naman yan. Dati mga
Bayan,
this
Coach?
time. Certified runner din yan.
Ayan, no? Si Harold Alboleda. This guy, at least ako nung na-cover ko na siya dun sa pros. At do it all na siya, Coach, eh. Diba?
Scotty.
Oo,
Scotty.
pag ganun. 28-27. Orgo from the top of the key. Cleans the lid. Gonzalez. Nigel. Difficult shot on the move for Gonzalez.
Medyo masikip yun.
Orgo. Siya naman yung atake.
Ganyan ang guard eh. Pagka hindi lang yan recipient ng atake, babawi din yan. Pagka inatake mo siya.
Ano bang introduction ko dito? Former player of Perpetual as well and now the head coach of LPU. Coach Gilbert Malabanan. There will be an action later against Letran at 2:30 p.m.
Dito makakakuha ka na ng tips kung paano itatakbo na San Beda at saka ng Perpetual sa NC. Kung
Yeah.
anong makakatulong sa team mo, tsaka anong pwedeng advantage na magigain mo rito sa game nila.
That's true, Coach. Pag nanonood ka, Coach, as a head coach, this is from your experience before. Ikaw ba mahilig kang manood ng mga first game? Kung second game kayo
oo.
noon?
Yes, oo. It will, siyempre matututo ko din sa ibang teams sa mga players, minsan yung mga combination, chemistry nila.
Oo, no? That's why our coaches are here. Kasama na rin sa scouting nila yan. Meantime, 30-27. Kalima, who's been playing well so far, is back in the fold. Nigel Gonzalez, now the bona fide point guard of San Beda on the floor. Nakapigan si Puno. Kaugiran, good hustle. Orgo, Nelsano, extra pass. Kaugiran. That's great defense by San Beda. Shot was deflected. Puno, kaboom! 3 triples in the first half for Jomel Puno. And he's the first guy to reach double figures. 5th deadlock of the first 2 quarters. Nagmamadali ang San Beda. Kalima! Got it! Back-to-back threes for San Beda. And RC Kalimag also with 10 points in the ballgame.
Kailangan magka-execute ang Perpetual dito sa nangyayari kasi hindi sila nakaka-score.
3-pointers. 3-point shooting yan yung biggest weapon ng San Beda so far. Sabi ni Goho Cruz, meron rin ako niyan. That's his second triple of the game. It's another tie. Pero bagsak dito si Brian Sahonia.
Players inside court, please proceed in front of your respective benches.
Sige, let's check out what happened, Coach. After the shot, bagsak si Brian Sahonia.
Bigla na lang natumba doon no?
Nakita natin oo. That was after the made shot by Goho Cruz. Kaya tabla tayo dito. Basket counted first and then the whistle afterwards. Okay. On the left of your screens, nakita niyo kanina ang ating NCAA commissioner, si Commissioner Oji Bernarte. Okay, watch out for Brian Sahonia who is batting for position against Kaugiran. Okay.
Merong contact doon.
May paramdam si Kaugiran
Oo.
dun sa gilid nito ni Brian Sahonia.
Warning on number 9 of San Beda
caused the
Red
reaction
Lions,
from
Brian
Sahonia.
Sahonia for faking a foul.
Ooh,
Substitution, Jen Avis for Angelo
but
Gonzalo.
our officials
Yugen Andrada
interpreted
for Jomel Puno.
as a flop or
As
as
a flop,
faking a foul. Pero yeah, Brian here and Coach
San Beda
Yuri,
Red Lions basketball.
Medyo may
they're saying
confusion.
na kung ano yun, may impact yun. Yun yung sinasabi nila.
Ayan.
Tignan natin to. Watch out for the left elbow ni Kaugiran. Ayun oh. Oh yeah. May puwersa.
Meron. Medyo sa side lang yun. Pero kung kuminta ng konti yun, sa dibdib ang tama nun. Oo.
Alright, the action continues. So natawagan ng warning si Brian Sahonia. Under a minute left in the second frame. Sahonia, the spray. Nigel attacks. Kalimag, who's strong this time. And here comes Sean Orgo. That was the first miss from the outside mula dito kay RC Kalimag.
Nag-iba na ng kombinasyon sila Coach Yuri. Ito mas mahaba na oras ni Kalima compared kila Payosing, no?
John Addis. Wala. Right there. Open for the cleanup. Itong si Ralph Kaugiran. Final shot, Kalimag! Nothing there. And Perpetual will grab the lead. Heading into the break. 35-33, the Altas pull ahead against the Red Lions. Pagbalik po natin, we'll tell you the story of the first half by the numbers through our highlights and performances from both our cheerleading squads. Lahat pong yan sa ating pagbabalik dito sa NCAA Season 100.